what are growth stocks? So, okay, so blue chip stocks are those stocks which will be giving, if I define them on the basis of risk and return, blue chip stocks are those stocks which will be very, very stable in terms of returns, and there will be very less risk as compared to other types of stocks. Okay, so if I'm going to pick up a large cap company, or that is the highest cap companies, that is the blue chip companies, I will be facing least possible risk in the market while investing into these stocks. And on the other side, I will be getting least possible return by investing into the stock market, because I have invested into the most stable companies. So their revenue, their profit sharing, their capital gain will be increasing at a least possible pace as compared to the other companies whose shares may increase rapidly, because those are growing with regard to their business. Okay, now growth stocks are those, just read this once, take 10-15 seconds to read this, and then I'll explain it. All right, so growth stocks are the stocks of those companies which are growing at a very fast pace. Okay, that is the small cap companies basically. So these companies have a huge market share to capture. If I give you an example, let's say Zomato. Okay, so Zomato is there in most of the you can say the well-established cities, especially the tier 1 level cities, and then maybe in some tier 2 level cities also. But still these Zomato services are not available in other cities which are of tier 3 level, that is the lowest level with regard to their economic status, right? So tier 2 and then tier 3 completely. The market in these cities is still available for Zomato and Swiggy, and both of these companies are striving hard to capture the maximum possible market pan-India, right? So since such a huge market space is available for both of these companies to expand, so the quicker they will expand their operations in maximum number of cities, the quicker will be their pace with regard to revenue generation and then profit generation ultimately, right? Now, they generally have higher PE and PB ratios than the market as a whole. This I will explain once I'll explain the PE and PB ratios in the financial ratios section.